Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you make a poll on your Discord server. All right, so let's start. Okay, so first here, let's open up a new tab and type in simple poll. Okay, so here click on simple poll Discord bot. Okay, so from here, it is going to take you to topgg.com, and from this one, you can click on invite. So this will open up Discord, and from here, you can click on select a server and click on continue. Click on authorize and click on I am human. Okay, now you are authorized. All right, so you can close this one and go back to Discord here. Now, what you can do is you can type in here /Paul and click on question. Now, here you can write whatever question that you have. So, for me here, I will just write here test. So, let's have test 1 and test 2. Alright, and there we have it, guys. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.